Schoology tips and tricks. Trick number 16, embedding content. So for this video, I want to show you a couple ways to make your pages pop a little bit with some of the content that you embed within your page. So we're going to add a page in here. I'm going to call this cute kitty because that's the way I like to roll when I add things. And I want to add a video. So if I come over here to insert content, there is a YouTube option here, but we actually see a lot of people reach out when they have problems with this YouTube link. Our recommendation is actually to use this insert image or media, and then from the web and change that to media if you have a video link to add. So I have one at the ready here. I'm going to paste that in and insert media. And you'll see this yellow box if it did it correctly. I'm going to have this display inline because I love this video of my cat so much. And I'm going to hit create. And now my video is embedded right inside my page for my students to see. It's a really great way for them to see a preview of what they're watching rather than it being a little hyperlink. Because sometimes this is what I see. People do add file link external tool and they go link and they drop that YouTube link and they hit add and they stop there. When students see this doesn't grab my attention like this does right here of my kitty cat. And yes, he does sleep like that with his tongue hanging out. So don't add links this way. There are definitely better ways to add links that we can show you if you're not sure after you take this course. The other thing that I want to show you is adding an image in here. So I'm going to come back to insert content and I am going to do that image or media and I'm going to attach a file. And I'm going to come over where I have my images stored and I'm going to choose one of my other cats and I'm going to insert that image. You have a couple options when you insert an image. When you click on it, you can make it smaller if it's really large, but you will also see this little dialog box with an X to delete it or the little picture icon. When I click on that picture icon, I can give it an image description. I definitely recommend if you have students who have vision issues to insert or add an image description. Black cat with eyes. Okay. You can align that picture. So maybe I want to make sure that it pops over onto the left and I'm going to hit update. Now at the top, I'm going to add a little text to show you how that image description can help your students. Cute kitties is all I'm going to do, and I'm going to hit save changes. So if a student were to come to this page and use the immersive reader, which is slowly loading, you're going to see the immersive reader now has cute kitties, and then it has an image description, black cat with yellow eyes. And then it has a YouTube video, so it cannot read this content. And if I hit play, this would read aloud to me. If I had not changed this to a description that makes sense for what the picture is, whatever the file name is, which can be kind of weird, is what would show up here. And it will read every weird little letter and symbol and number of that image file image name if you have not changed that description. So something to think about when you're adding an image is also to take the step of adding that description. And if you forget, you can always come back to edit the page, click on the picture, click on that little picture icon, and add that image description. It's like the alt text that you see in a lot of things. So just two options for adding some stuff to your page that makes your page pop a little bit more. So embedded images and embedded videos using that insert content, image or media option within a page.